Alright, ready?
Wait, hold on. I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Move this.
Don't cheat. Leave everything as is.
Yeah, leave everything else in.
Go.
Go, roll the dice. Roll the dice.
Wait, ready?
I made it too easy, man.
Wait, you need another glove.
Yeah, Mom, you made it too easy.
Mom, she needs a glove.
Give him these gloves.
Oh,
Okay, you're good.
This way.
You guys are cheating.
Look how much you got.
We're punching it.
Yeah, no punching.
No punching.
No punching.
Okay.
That's it. Wait, can I have a
Okay, do not finish the last minute. Well, you're really sick, then you're done.
Ready, set, go.
It took us so long. Yeah, bro, we did. It took us. Here, give me the glove.
We're here. We need glove.
Ready? It's okay. No, they have to do it themselves. Don't just get them.
Ready?
Alright, ready? Go. Go. Whoa.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, try this. Hey, we need a glove. Good job. Alright. Cheers. Watch this. Go. Six. Stop. No.
How are you supposed to get the ribbon off? You have to
Everybody sit on the couch or at the bench. Okay?
Wait, where did the other peel go? You got one, you got a sock.
Junior, I told you to get
Sit down right there. You don't want anything.
Wait, if you got this wrong. If you missed the basket, you have to come back.
You missed a bucket, you're bad.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Can you use your hand?
Then you can use your hand to drop it and come back over here and then do it again.
Come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go!
This is not
She go first. Okay.
Why are you joking?
See? She don't try to. Just go from here. Just go from here.